Today, let's learn to make our irresistible Avocado S'mores Doughnuts. First, we'll drizzle our serving dish with warm Nutella. Next, we'll grab 2 of our avocado cake donuts and place them on our workstation. These cake donuts are made from a batter using cinnamon, nutmeg, and of course, fresh avocados from Mexico, and then fried at 375 degrees till golden brown. To top our donuts, we will spread our marshmallow fluff in a nice, even layer around the entire avocado donut. Next, we'll carefully brûlée the marshmallow fluff with our torch for that toasted campfire effect. Now we place the toasty avocado donuts on top of the Nutella spread on our serving dish. Then, sprinkle a generous helping of graham cracker crumbs across the top. Garnish with fresh strawberries, blackberries, and a nice sprig of mint, and serve. Now you're ready to share the joy of Avocado S'mores Doughnuts by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.